guys, Adam from here, no. Hey guys, Adam from POTN here. Busy day today, but we thought we'd just come down to the warehouse, pull some stock off the shelves, do a bit of unboxing. So this is the Mk4 This is the brand new intake from Pipercross, available at the Pipercross shop. The Mk4 is for the Mk4 Focus ST, the 2.3 EcoBoost engine, which is becoming ever so popular now, and for good reason. So I thought we'd pull it off the shelf, we can unbox it, show you what you're getting for your money, and yeah, let's go through it. As far as car parts go, you want a big box. Everyone loves a big box being turned up. So